avoid eating yogurt from the tub, more especially if you plan on eating it later. Sawubona. Chef Makamolon. Chef, but why? You must remember that saliva contains enzymes, mainly amylase and lipase, and there's also bacteria in your mouth. So if you take this spoon, you put it in your mouth, there's already enzymes and bacteria here, and then you put that into your yogurt and then you eat. What you are doing now, you are breaking down the yogurt with your enzymes. Chef, what is the function of enzymes? Enzymes break down sugars and fats. So if the saliva here, and then the saliva goes into your yogurt, now this yogurt is going to be broken down. That's why your yogurt becomes watery. That's why it becomes bitter. That's why it even becomes grainier. So meaning that your yogurt now has got more potential of being spoiled easily. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, I know that most of us, we finish this tub. It's not a problem. Even the bigger one, we finish it. But if you plan on not finishing your yogurt on the very same spot, rather decant it, transfer it into a smaller container, eat from that container. More especially if you live alone. Sometimes we forget these things in the fridge. 2 days when you come back, you find your yogurt and now it has been spoiled. So rather decant it, because your saliva and your yogurt, it's going to make your yogurt to become watery and to even spoil much more faster and quicker. Someone is saying, Chef, but what about using a metal spoon? Because I've heard that a metal spoon also helps to break down the yogurt. The yogurt has got an acid of about the pH of that is around 4. But then stainless steel that is not coated or that is not aluminium doesn't react to that acid. Most of the cutlery and crockery that we use nowadays is mostly coated. So it doesn't really affect your yogurt. Unless you really use proper stainless steel in your house. I would also urge you not to use your stainless steel to insert it in your yogurt. But then the usual stainless steel that we use doesn't have that power to break down the yogurt. More especially if it doesn't stay in for too long. Yeah, sangikhulumile kunjalo. Chef Makamolon. Siyabo.